Hello everyone. Let us see the last topic of Module 5, that is Ambient Air Quality Standards. The main aim of air quality standards is to reduce the air pollutants in the atmosphere to a certain level or the certain controlled level which would avoid undesirable effects. And the prescribed standards may vary slightly from country to country depending upon their meteorological or geographical and population density. So we know that what we mean by meteorological factors, that is wind direction, temperature, atmospheric stability. These things are different in other states or other countries. So these factors are depends if you are going to discuss or if you are going to form a standards. In India, various areas of state are classified by the consent of pollution control boards into three categories based on their land use and other factors. Let us see that details in next. Categories are industrial and mixed use areas. Industrial areas or industrial plus residential area or industrial plus educational area, like that mixed use areas. And the second area or second category, that is the residential and rural areas. Then last one is sensitive areas. Sensitive area means it covers hill stations, tourist resort, health resort, national park and other monuments where the clean environment is maintained, sometimes even at the cost of economic activity. So let us see the Indian Ambient Air Quality Standards, that is known as IAAQS, Indian Ambient Air Quality Standards, with regard to permissible concentration of different pollutants. This is the latest National Ambient Air Quality Standards. You have to by heart these standards because this is one of the university question. So the first column, that is pollutant. Different pollutants are listed here, the major pollutants. The second column, that is a time weighted average. There are two different time weighted averages are there. Annual time weighted average value, 24 hourly values. Annual value means that is arithmetic mean of minimum 10 samples in a year taken twice a week. 24 hourly values, that means that value shall be met 98% of time in a year. 2% of time it may exceed, but do not on consecutive basis. Next one is, that is concentration in ambient air. Three categories are there: industrial area, residential area and sensitive area. In industrial area, there is annual arithmetic mean, that is 80 microgram per meter cube, that is the permissible limit. Sulfur dioxide amount, that is in annually, that is 80 microgram per meter cube. In sensitive area, that is 50 microgram per meter cube. This for hourly value, that is 120 microgram per meter. An air quality index is used by government agencies to communicate to the public how polluted the air currently is or how polluted it is forecast to become. So this is the one of the way we are going to rate the air, and we are going to inform the public about the quality of air. Based on this indication, we can analyze the quality of the air. The another name of air quality index, that is air quality health index or air pollution index or pollution standard index. The main uses of air pollution index are, it helps in informing the public about the air pollution levels, and we can compare the air pollution levels. At the same time, this air pollution index is used to for the development of the system for avoidance or management of severe episode of air pollution. There are two types of indices, short-term indices and long-term indices. Short-term indices, we are going to check the air quality index or air quality daily. This is for inform the public about the air quality standards or air quality level. Daily we are going to inform the public about the air pollution levels. Then mainly it is going to done by local or state air pollution control agencies. Second one, that is long-term indices. This is for evaluate the changes in air quality over periods of several years or more. This is based on, this is mainly we are going to conduct for study purpose, and in that way we can assess the effectiveness of enforcement policies with regard to air pollution control measures.